So if this is fitted this way, the hinge is not going to work because it's going to be a gap, as we say. To fix this, we have to take this one out, take this one out, and take this plastic out, which is sometimes awkward. I found that the easy way is to unscrew with Allen key the lifting screw, put the small flat screwdriver in there, and trying to push only the white. So you see if the white is moving, that you're pushing the right one. And should come out. It's not very easy. Now, once we have this, the longer, there's two pieces, shorter and the longer one. This the collar has to fit into here. So the shorter piece down, fit the collar. So now it's nice and flush. Turn around, and this notch, you can see it's straight here, and there's a kind of like slope over here a little bit. So that slope has to go always down. Make sure this you don't see once you fit the hinge. So now you fit the hinge here, like so. You can put your screw back, non-specific time, anytime after you fit that out, take that out. Now once this is up, like this, make sure that you put this in correct order, wherever you want it. Now, and hinges fit. So this is how you adjust the hinge up and down. You can see this collar is gonna go up and then goes down, obviously with the weight of the door. To push the hinge left and right, you adjusting this, which is move the door left and right. To move hinge in this order, you have to turn this plastic, which is, as this plastic shouldn't be weight on the door. Preferably, if somebody is adjusting this, take the door off so there's no weight on it. So if I turn that any way I want, the hinge is changing position to go out. Once I'm happy where the position of the hinge, to line up lines with the notches. Like so. And fit the cap.